Are you searching for the best digital manifold? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best digital manifolds in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, KKMOON Digital Manifold Gauge Meter. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, HONGSEN HS330 Refrigeration Vacuum Gauge. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3, WZ0031 Pressure Gauge Refrigeration Digital Vacuum Pressure Manifold Tester. The Intelligent Electronic Refrigerant Group instrument is an auxiliary instrument for the installation, testing, and maintenance of refrigeration equipment such as air conditioners and cold storage. The instrument has double pressure test, dual temperature test, digital readout, multi-unit switching, multi-mode function, and built-in refrigerant database. Feature: the instrument uses high-strength engineering plastics and flexible anti-slip silicone design. The whole machine is solid and comfortable to hold. Built-in 32-bit digital processing unit and high-precision data acquisition unit, high data and stability. Large-size LCD display, backlight support, data display clear and easy to read, convenient light operation, long-life valve switch, a 1/4-inch standard interface designed to ensure that the instrument's durability and versatility. Built-in 89 kinds of refrigerant pressure evaporation temperature database, also calculate the subcooling superheat to facilitate direct reading of operating process data. It tests percentage of vacuum measurement, pressure leak measurement, leak time speed record. Multifunctional, accurate and simply operated digital manifold let you do the work right.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4, DUOYI DY517, a digital manifold meter air conditioning vacuum gauge. Product feature: a 1/4-inch standard interface design, built-in 93 kinds of refrigerant pressure evaporation temperature database, non-slip silicone design, liquid crystal displayed LCD backlight support. This intelligent electronic instrument is an auxiliary instrument for the installation, testing, and maintenance of refrigeration equipment such as air conditioners and cold storage, with double pressure test, dual temperature test, and digital readout, multi-unit switching, multi-mode function, and built-in refrigerant database. The instrument uses high-strength engineering plastics. The whole machine is solid and comfortable to hold.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 5, Testo 550 Smart Digital Manifold. Easier, more flexible measurements and documentation. With the Testo 550's digital manifold with Bluetooth and two-way valve block, you'll be ideally equipped for your measuring tasks in the field of commissioning, servicing, and maintenance of refrigeration and air conditioning systems and heat pumps. Product description: with this kit, you'll be ready to start your measurements in the commissioning, servicing, and maintenance of refrigeration and air conditioning systems and heat pumps straight away. You will get the Testo 550 Smart Digital Manifold with Bluetooth and two-way valve block, 2 fixed cable clamp temperature probes, indice, and a robust transport case. Additional Bluetooth probes, e.g. for wireless measurements of temperature and vacuum, are available separately.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.